So all the parts were super easy to install. All you gotta do, it comes disassembled like this. All you gotta do is pop it on and it comes like that. Same with every other function like this. All you gotta do is plug it in with the red switch here and then you can pop it out by pressing on it. Super easy. These are the different extensions that it comes with. These are the different heads that it comes with. This is the charging station that it comes with. Plug this into the wall. You can install this onto your wall so you can mount it on here to charge. And it's super easy to charge too. Once you see this connector right here, you pop it in, you lock it, and now it is charging. You want to take it out? Super easy. You don't have to plug any wires into anything. All you gotta do is pop it in. This is the control. As you can see, it tells you what kind of particles that it is sucking up. You want to change the filter, you push this up, this comes out, and you can dump anything that's inside. What you gotta do is push it back in, and push this back in, and you're done. I'll just demonstrate how loud and how fast this vacuum goes. This has 3 modes, high, medium, and low. This is the lowest function. As you can hear, this is what it sounds like. That's how fast the vacuum goes. This is the medium sound. That's how fast it goes. This is the fastest feature. Jesus Christ. This thing from top to bottom is around 4 feet. This is around 3 inches. And this is around 10 inches. Because of the ball function right here, it is super easy to swirl and kind of turn in every direction. And once you push on it, and that's when it sweeps up at the bottom right there, you can see it rolling inside. When you pick it up and put it on for storage, it automatically comes on straight so you can store this a lot easier without worrying about something protruding from above. Once you want to use, you just pop it down like that and it's super easy to maneuver. The filter here is also washable, so you can just wash it out without having to worry to clean it expertly. Not to mention, it has a special filter to trap the special type of dust to make your house a lot more cleaner and a lot less dusty. And the battery inside provides an impressive 60 minutes of runtime, and also longer if you decide to use it on the lower modes. And also, there's a second filter at the bottom, and also there's a second filter at the end right here. All you gotta do is twist it. Comes right out and you can wash this one too. So I've had this for, some people have questions about this, so I just wanted to answer some of those. The first one being that, what is the weight of this vacuum? This weight, including the special bar and the thing down here, it is 6.8 pounds. Does it come with a small digital motor bar? It features a small screen right here, as you can see. It also provides you an type of mode, the low, medium, and high mode. Does this work with previous editions of the Dyson vacuum? And yes, if you have previous editions, if the same locking mechanism, as you can see right here, the red button, it should work no problem. Does this thing also mop? It does not have a mopping feature. Is it mop? It's not a mop. How many modes are there? There are 3 modes. There is the low, which is also the economy mode. There is also the medium and also the boost, which is the extreme high, really powerful, really fast vacuum. Does it come with batteries and a charger? The battery, it is built in here. You don't need to replace it. You don't need to do anything with it, but it does come with a charger right here where you plug this into the wall. You can mount this onto a wall or something where this thing kind of goes into here and you charge it by this. And it's super easy. All you gotta do is come down here, lock it, and you're done. It is charging. And what are the dimensions of the box that this comes in? This is the box is 39 inches, 10.5 inches by 6 inches high. What is the CFM for this rating for this vacuum, which is basically the cubic feet per minute rating for this vacuum, which is a full 100. Does this clean only clean carpets or only hardwood floors? This vacuum is designed to clean all types of flooring. It also has different attachments to design for whichever type of need that you want. But yes, this is designed to encompass every type of floor type that you will want. So you don't have to worry about switching different types of vacuums for different situations. You have this one and it can do everything. So what makes this better than the competitor? I would say it is the unparalleled power. As this is the most powerful and intelligent vacuum cleaner there is. It provides a super deep clean to the entire house, way superior than the competitors. As you can hear, again, I can show you how powerful this thing is. This is the most powerful and loudest mode, which is insane. It also has a super long battery life up to 60 minutes on a regular use. If you go to economy, you can go even longer too, but that is more than enough time to clean every which nook and cranny of your house. And once it gets to a low battery, the power saving mode automatically turns on to give you more power, more battery life too. It also has a laser illumination, which is basically Dyson's way of really revealing microplastic dust on the hardwood floor by kind of shining lasers onto it to make sure that it sees it and it kind of picks it up better, which is not found in any competitors. It also has smart technology. It has an auto mode, which kind of optimizes the best kind of function that you want depending on the dust that is coming in. So it auto adjusts the power and runtime effective for different types of scenarios. And another thing, it is the LED screen type. As you can see right here, it kind of categorizes what type of particles that is being picked up. So it kind of gives you the data to provide the most scientifically deep clean as best as possible. It has two advanced cleaner heads, the one I have right here, which is more for detangling carpets. As you can see, there are bristles right here that kind of rotates and really gets in onto the carpets when you kind of push it around. And this is more meant for hardwood floors to really pick up anything that you can see or feel right in there. This is also super versatile because of the cordless feature. You can use this to clean your car. You can use this on stairs. You can use this on like various households where you don't necessarily have a plug to plug into. You can also bring this on travel if you need to clean some stuff and in case you kind of spill anything on traveling. So this is super versatile. Comprehensive tools because of all the different attachments that it gives you. These two and these two to pick up all different types of dust, pet hair, any particles, any bacteria, everything that it will pick up. And not to mention, it is the best feature that it traps the high level. And not to mention, the best feature is high level filtration. It kind of filtrates 99.9% of particles as small as 0.3 nanograms, as small as 0.3 micrograms. The washable filter also provides the washable filter reduces waste and also offers a cleaner environment compared to other brands. So that's why I think this is the best vacuum on the market, which is why they can charge so much. So the TLDR for this product is up to 60 minutes of runtime, even longer if you do it on the economy mode. It has laser illumination to kind of reveal the microscopic dust that you're picking up. Suction optimized based on the dust level and floor type. LED screens provides a runtime and kind of dust particles to see which ones you're getting and also the modes that it has. And it's super convenient that you can use this in the car when you're traveling. Tons of extensions for different variety of uses. Also these, trapping up to 99.9 particles, trapping up to 99.9% of particles as small as 0.3 micron. Filter up here and filter over here, both washable, both easy to clean.